Hello friends, this is Ashish here. So today we will be learning how to multiply two digit numbers. So multiplying sometimes may be frustrating, but using Vedic maths we're gonna see how we can do our mathematical computations pretty simply and very easily. See, for example, let's suppose if you have to multiply two numbers like 23 into suppose 12. So conventionally the way we multiply is first of all we say 3 into 2 is 6 here, remaining 0. Then we do is like 2 into 2 is 4, so 46 here. And next we go for the another numbers, like we'll be multiplying 23 by 1, so it is 3, and the remaining is 23. So total comes around like we added 4 plus 3 7 to 76. So as you can see, it's a three-step process. We are multiplying it two times and again we are adding it, so it takes up a lot of time. So let's try to ease it using Vedic maths, how it can be done using Vedic maths. So the form is pretty simple. So for any two-digit number we have got a unit place and a tens place. So what we are supposed to do is we have to remember this form. So these arrows mark where we are supposed to multiply the two numbers. Okay, now for example, let's take a number. Let's take the same number that you have used earlier. So 23 into 12. Okay, let's try this. So first of all we will be multiplying the numbers, the unit digit numbers, these one. So 3 into 2 is how much? 6. Okay, now we'll have to multiply them cross and add them. So we are having 3 into 1 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7, and we had 0 remaining from the previous. Okay, now we're gonna do is like we're gonna multiply 2 into 1, so that is 276. So in here we have done all these things in one step. Okay, let's take one more example. Let's bigger one number, suppose 85 into 47. How are we gonna multiply these two numbers? Okay, let's do. So the first thing that we are supposed to do, these are the two numbers. So first of all, you're multiplying the units places first. 7 into 5, that is 35. So 5 here, so remaining is 3. Don't forget this thing. And next time it is 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is how much? 20. And 8 into 7 is how much? 57, or 56, sorry. 56 plus 20 is 76, plus 3 is 79. So we're gonna write 9 here, and now the carryover is 7. So the next time that we're gonna do is multiply all the tens digit number, that is 8 into 4 is 32, plus 7 is 39. As simple as that, isn't it? Okay, let's take one more example. So this time to just review a bit, so we are using a form something like this. So we are first of all multiplying the units places, then we are multiplying the crisscross fraction, and then we are this way. So let's take another number. Say this time let's take 72 into suppose 36. Okay, so first of all what we're gonna do is the first thing that we'll be doing right now is 2 into 6. So 2 into 6 is how much? 12. The carryover is 1. So now we'll be multiplying it crisscross. So when we are multiplying it crisscross, the new numbers, the multiplication is 3 into 2 is 6, and 7 into 6 is 42. So 42 plus 6 is 48, and we had one carryover there, that means sum total becomes 49. So let's write 9 here, and now the new carryover is 4. Now Now the multiplication that we're gonna use is 7 into 3 is 21 plus 4 is 25. Isn't it very easy? So for this you'll have to practice a lot. So once you practice a lot, uh, things will become pretty easily. Like if in your exam itself, if you see like 32 into 36, how much you'll have to, so straight away you can see, you can say how you have to multiply. So first of all we'll be multiplying the units places first. So 6 into 2 is what, 6, 12, remaining will be 1, so you can just remember it. Now what you have to do, you have to multiply crisscross. So crisscross as in you have to multiply 6 into 2 here like this, and or is it something like this, sorry. So the way that you're multiplying will be 2 into 3 and 7 into 6, and you'll be adding both of them. 7 into 6 is 42, 3 into 6 is 48, and remaining, if you remember, was 1, so 49. So now remaining is 4. So the in next step what I'm gonna do is, like, we're gonna multiply the 2 digits number. 7 into 2 is 73 is 21 plus 4 is 25. Isn't it pretty easy? Yes. So for this you should be good in multiplying single digit number, and your addition should be perfect. Give it a try, and you'll be able to do it pretty soon. We'll see you again next time, and please don't forget to subscribe and share, like the video.